Okay, babe. Let me just go to bed.
Oh, you got the hiccups? Yeah? Yeah? Show us another one. There you go.
Alright, get some rest, buddy.
There you go.
We'll see you in a bit.